Hi and welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I will show you how to make the perfect moist Thanksgiving turkey. It's that time of the year again, turkey season. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. Every year more than 50 million turkeys get prepared and eaten in the US. Sadly, a lot of them dried out and dull. But it doesn't have to be like that. One of my favorite hacks for roasting chicken can also be applied for turkey. The way to guarantee perfect Thanksgiving turkey with moist breast meat and crispy skin is to spatchcock it. That means removing the backbone and breaking the breastbone so the turkey can roast flat. That ensures faster cooking and evenly cooked meat so that it doesn't dry out. And add to that the amazing barbecue smoke flavor and you're in for a treat. Probably the best turkey you've ever had. Let me show you how to do it. I brined this turkey for 24 hours in the briner bucket with Lane's barbecue signature brine. Then I patted the turkey dry and let it dry for another 24 hours on the fridge so that the skin can get nice and crispy. When spatchcocking the turkey, cut out the backbone with a sharp knife or kitchen shears. Please be very careful while doing this. Some of the bones are tough to cut. Once you've removed the backbone, lay the turkey flat on a cutting board, breast side up, and apply pressure to break the breastbone. I'm applying a little bit of oil just so that the wrap sticks nicely to the skin. Set your grill to cook indirectly at 350 degrees and don't forget to add a drip tray to catch all those fatty juices from the turkey to make gravy. I'm putting on full boiled nuts so that the drip tray is not sitting directly on the hot plate setter. Otherwise any drippings would boil and evaporate really quickly. The turkey is done when the breast meat is at about 160 degrees internal temperature and the leg meat is at 165. Before carving the turkey, let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes. Alright guys, our turkey's done. It took us about 3 hours at 350 degrees. Let's check out this turkey, shall we? Look at this juice, guys. Does this look like a dry turkey? I don't think so. It looks pretty juicy, pretty amazing to me. Let's have a look. Let's get this leg right off. Look, like it just folds right off. It's pretty amazing. Look at this, super juicy. Let's get a little bite out of this leg here. Look at this, guys. Oh man, this is nice. Look at this. Look at the juices dripping. Let's have a bite. Oh man. This is good turkey, all right? Let's cut it some more. Let's cut into the breast meat. Look at this. Looks pretty amazing, huh? Let's see if we can squeeze it a bit. Well, you can't see it, but it's not dry. You can feel all the moisture, all the juice coming out of it. It's pretty amazing. It's perfect. This is amazing turkey. It's absolutely amazing. It has a great smoke flavor to it. It's not dry at all. It's moist, it's soft. It's absolutely amazing. Came out amazing. I hope you do a turkey like this for your Thanksgiving. Combine it with your favorite sides, mashed potatoes, Brussels sprouts, corn, you know, whatever you like to do, stuffing, and it will be absolutely amazing. It will blow away your family and your, you know, whoever you're going to cook turkey for. Try it out yourself. We'd love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, comment below in the comments, and don't forget to watch next week's video. We have a good one for you. See you next week.